Good day. My name is Fabrana Mirembe and my registration number is 270391. Today I'll demonstrate how to use Excel pivot tables to analyze student performance data. Here I have a data set with students' names, module, scores, and class. Each row represents students' result in a specific subject. First, I select all the data so Excel knows what I want to analyze. Next, I go to Insert, then click to Pivot Table. Then I click OK to create it on a new sheet. This is the Pivot Table Fields panel. It allows me to organize and summarize the data. So I'll drag the name into the rows section to display all students. Then drag the score into the values section. So Excel can calculate the students' results. To make the analysis more detailed, I drag the module into the column section. Now you can see each student's performance in each subject. To make it easier to understand, I can also calculate the average so as to understand the performance of each student. You click to value, field settings, then choose average. OK. You can now see the average score per student. That's all I had. Thank you for listening.